Bukit Batok Nature Park. Yes, today we are going nature park. In this lockdown, if we can't go outside, let's explore in the Singapore.
Park is located on the western part of Singapore, which is Bukit Batok, and it is easily accessible by public bus.
We are here, we will go straight, we will explore quarry first, and then this is the different route, and we will go to the memorial site. So let's go. So we have entered in the nature park. This is the starting point of nature park. We will go straight and we'll explore the quarry first. Then there is a different park area, I mean road. Oh, who is here? Behind me you can see here it is a washroom and the drinking water facility available here. So it is a good if you don't bring your water bottle, then you can drink here. This is the park area, garden area for the exercise, and do not feed monkey because they have enough food to eat.
It is a home to some amazing type of exotic birds as well as reptiles which people see around when they visit this park. The trail and park are good spot for bird watching as well.
And here is the quarry. See, surrounding, no one is here. This is afternoon time, and yeah, it's a good, refreshing. If you are bored with city's hustles buzzles, definitely you can come and relax yourself. This is very peaceful place. This is the hill area, so from top also we can see this place.
After enjoying the breathtaking view of quarry, let's go to the park's lush forest.
Everywhere signboards are here, so can refer. And let's go to War Memorial. We are going from meeting point 1 to another point, which is like staircase you have to cross. So you will reach to the another point, meeting point 2, which is near to War Memorial 2. Yeah, it's a good hike.
You have to walk a lot through this 36 hectares park which has a huge hill with many undulating paths.
You want to burn your calories? Come here. This is a viewpoint, but you can hardly see any view because it is covered with a lot of trees. Here is the quarry which we went earlier. They have sitting areas so you can take rest. Here meeting point 3, we were there, we walked all the way.
This is the place where the Japanese had built a memorial for all the Japanese soldiers who had died during the war with Singapore. I'm walking down the steep slope to the second entrance of the park at Lorong Sesuai.
This is the second route to go inside. You will reach directly to the War Memorial 2. Everywhere you can see the signboards, so it is very easy. You are here, so this is the way you can go ahead. We are at car park area. So this was the journey of Bhutik Batok Nature Park. If you like video, give me thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. And if you want to watch more nature park video in the Singapore, then let me know in the comment. See you on another video. Bye.